Okay, this is Westlake. So what we're gonna do is go check out this little pagoda. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So it looks like there's a little walkway right there. I probably have to pay a fee, which was fine too. And let's go check it out. Let's see what this is. All right. Hanoi Club. A little bit behind a tour group, but that's fine. There's our temple. All right, let's go check it out. Looks like it's let's go get around the tour guide. Do not wear shorts. Great. I'm actually wearing shorts. But I just saw another tourist with shorts, so I think most foreigners are usually wearing shorts most of the time. Let's go see what's in here. It's cool. We're gonna walk to the other side away from the sun a little bit. Oh, cool. That's beautiful. This is even better when I get on this side. Yeah, the sun is reflecting on it. Some pretty cool details. Let's see. 1939. 1939 used to sound really old to me, but now it doesn't sound that old. Because there's so much history everywhere. If anything, it makes me realize how what are people going to show for it this era? I guess they have different architecture, but this stuff is beautiful. Okay. Yeah, I love the colors. So this goes out in the waterway. Let's see.
So, you know, in the history Buddha, he's the real man. He's the prince. So he was born in the luxury. And then one day when he got out, he found a lot of people who were very bad.
Pretty cool. Okay. Probably gonna have a dead fish. I think I'm gonna call it an end to this video right here.
Chiquinha,